Hello, my name is Kevin Gilmore with the National Weather Service New Orleans Baton Rouge office located in Slidell, Louisiana. And this is your weekly weather briefing for Thursday, October 28th. Starting off with a situation overview, we'll be discussing the weather for the next 5 to 7 days. Starting off with today, it's relatively windy out there, but it's dry, which is some good news there. It'll be breezy tomorrow, but then very pleasant in this weekend, so that's some great news if you have outdoor plans this upcoming weekend, even into early parts of next week. The next front won't arrive until next Thursday with only a slight chance of showers, and the tropics are quiet, which is, as always, is some good news there. Starting off with today, we do have a wind advisory in effect for all of southeast Louisiana and southeast Mississippi. These are for winds possible gusting upwards around 25 to 35 miles per hour across the area, and this is going to be in effect until 7 o'clock. Again, just windy conditions, and we should see the winds taper off after 7 o'clock going into tonight. However, they still may be breezy. And we do have a gale warning in effect adjacent to the land areas across the marine areas. This is from the Mississippi Sound south into the outer Gulf waters, where we may be seeing wind gusts of around 40 to 50 knot potential here all the way through 1 p.m. on Friday. And here's some of the wind gusts that we're going to be seeing here for the rest of today. This is valid through 7 p.m. this Thursday, or for the duration of the wind advisory in effect. We're already seeing wind gusts around 25 to 35 across some areas of the area, with some of the highest wind gusts occurring across the South Shore and some of extreme southeast Louisiana, especially any areas near the coast. So we're going to continue to see really windy conditions here today through the rest of the evening, becoming breezy tomorrow, so not as windy, but then a very pleasant weekend ahead. So speaking of that, here's the next 6-day forecast here for New Orleans to the left, Baton Rouge, and then Gulfport to the right, showing you that we may be seeing some of the coolest afternoon temperatures actually tomorrow, because we get some of the deeper cold air to arrive from the back end of the system that we saw the severe weather with yesterday. Also, we may have some cloud cover as well, which will really help kind of insulate and keep things a lot cooler during the day on Friday. So Friday is looking like a kind of a jacket wearing day. This is going to be kind of a chilly day, especially with that breezy wind, but we'll see some moderation going in through this weekend into early next week, getting back up into the mid to upper 70s, with overnight lows still relatively chilly in the 50s to maybe even the lower 60s for New Orleans. Here's a tropical weather outlook. As we mentioned before, it's quiet across the tropics. Only a weak wave possible, very low possible development offshore coastal New England. Otherwise, tropics are going to be very quiet here for the next 5 to 7 days. Here's total precipitation, what we're expecting now or today through next Thursday. That's some good news there, that we're not expecting anything relatively heavy. And I should say with this graphic, this is a total rainfall graphic. So all the rain that you see here is mostly going to be during the day on Thursday when that front passes. So every time from now all the way up through Thursday should be primarily dry. We'll see some of the maybe some locally higher amounts towards western areas during the day on Thursday, even less amounts as we go towards the east, towards coastal Mississippi. So to summarize what we just discussed, we got a windy day today, breezy tomorrow, and then a very pleasant weekend ahead. Next front will arrive on Thursday, but we'll only see a slight chance of showers, with right now not seeing much in the way of heavy rain or severe weather potential with it, which is some good news. And the tropics are quiet, and let's hope it stays that way. That'll end this briefing, and we hope you have a great day and a great weekend.